Hi, welcome to WPCELL. How to write product description and category page content with AI in WooCommerce using StoreAgent. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can generate high quality content, product description, and SEO friendly product categories by AI. First, you need to install the plugin. I know you already have products and store install. Just you will click product and add new plugin. Sorry, you need to click plugins and add new. Just you need to install this one. It's very easy to install. Then it will be redirected to connect page. Otherwise, you need to click left side. You need to go left side here. You need to click here. Then you can see the option. Just you need to click connect to StoreAgent. It will be redirected to their own website to connect them. If you have account, then you will log in this one, and if you don't have an account, just you need to go here. Then you need to create new account. Just I will create new account. Okay, and password I will create and password. Okay, no. Okay, create it account. After create the account in the same browser, just you will reload this one. It will be connect. Otherwise, you will add here your username and password. Okay, just I need to wait some time to create the account. Let's reload this one. Wait. Yes, now it's verified. Account is created. Okay, just I need to reload this one here. Otherwise, you will add your username and password, and it's activate. And I will approve this one. And already we have done all of them. You don't need to touch anywhere. Just wait. I'll show you what you need to do. Just you will follow some step. Just go settings. Category errors. Just okay. I will active this one. Okay. And save it, and I will go here products here, category page. I will try first category page. How to generate this one? The active words. Okay, edit. Yes, it's working fine. Okay, just a random there. I will add to text. And I will add friendly, happy, and playful. Next, categories. Just I will add randomly to show you. Yes, noise, man, woman, both on unisex. Next on keyword, just I will add keyword here. Then another one, as you wish. Language, you must choose your language. I will keep it this one. Okay, generate this one. And it's very easy to generate. Okay, and it's working fine, and you will save it, and it's perfectly working. Okay.